Wheelchair Swivel Seat is a complete easy access solution for wheelchair users. Our wheelchair system works in conjunction with an electronic swivel seat base, allowing you to leave the vehicle whilst remaining in your car seat with no lifting required at all. You can control the travel of the chair in and out of the vehicle, as well as the position within the car. Programmable movement allows for maximum leg space when entering and exiting the vehicle. A manual version is also available if you are comfortable rotating the chair under your own strength. A non-wheelchair transferable version is available that solely rotates or rotates and lowers the car seat out of the vehicle. For more information about wheelchair swivel seats, easy vehicle access and other vehicle adaptations, speak to one of our experts by web chat, online inquiry or by phone. Vehicle Adaptations, enabling independence. Mobility in motion.